Hi, so I'm just about to do an unboxing of the Huion Inspiro H640p. This is a smaller tablet. I already have the 1480p with the batteryless pen and the wireless board, which is really quite a big drawing surface. But I got this because just to sit beside my mouse and do some light editing on images in Lightroom. And one of the tips I can give you, I always look in the Amazon return sections and to see if there is any discounted items there because of return. And I've been very lucky up to now. I think I've only had to return back one item. The beauty of it is if you don't like the item or there is a problem with it, Amazon accepts it returned just like any other product that you can return to Amazon. So this was original priced about £35. It was reduced as a refurbished product. Amazon started a new refurbished program, and then I got another 35% off it. So effectively I got this for £17. So I have already sliced open these tabs, but these were sealed just like they were brand new. So really off to a good start. You can see the box is very clean. Nice padded area that protects obviously the tablet in the front. And what do we have in the box? We have a thank you for shopping on Amazon Renewed. And then we have the tablet itself sitting on the top. And again, very well packaged and covered. And if I open this up, and there is the tablet itself. Really neat, small, 6 programmable buttons. That will sit really nicely beside my mouse. And the quality of the product, there's no marks, scratches or anything on it. It is like brand new. And when you think I picked this up for £17, let me set that there and we'll move forward to see what else is in the box. So you have a CD looking bit of cardboard, which is obviously instructions to download the software and the drivers for your PC. A warranty card, an instruction booklet. And one of the things about this model, the 640p, the P stands for really not having a battery in your pen. So there's no need to charge this. This works regardless of it being charged or not. So great pen, very similar to the pen I already own for the bigger model. And they're really quite nice pens to use. I haven't found any problems with them. It comes with its stand. So you have a stand that you can either sit the pen on that way, or you can tuck it in that way. And what else is in the box? So you have the cable, the USB cable that allows you to connect the device to your PC or your Mac. And you have 10 spare nibs. And last but not least, it did say in the description that you could use this in an Android device, your Android phone or tablet. So there is a USB adapter to Android, and it also throws in a USB adapter to USB-C. Now when you think about it, these two adapters, to buy them individually would cost you on Amazon around about £5 to £7 each. So let's call it in the middle. That's about £12 alone to buy in adapters. And when you think of all of this for £17 or £17.99, what a bargain. So I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. What I plan to do next is I'll review this product. You'll see me using it and you'll get my opinion and views on how good it is. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please subscribe and hit the like button. It's really appreciated and it helps my channel grow. Thanks very much.